Friends, welcome to this video in which I'm going to talk about the importance of value proposition to the customer. Value proposition is one of the 5 pillars which are absolutely critical for any business to address and nurture. If you see this playlist, you will find 2 earlier videos in this series. In the first video, I have introduced this framework of which there are 5 critical pillars: vision, value proposition, value delivery, value creators, and value system. I'm sure you would have also seen the video on vision which I have rolled out already. Now I'm talking about this second pillar, which is very critical. Let's discuss this a little bit more. Every business exists to fulfill customer needs. Customers would come calling if the value delivered to them is much more than the price that they are paying. I'm sure you would agree with what I'm saying. Hence, value proposition to customer becomes very critical. Every firm has to provide a demonstrable value through products and services that meet and exceed customer expectations. While the customer need is sought to be met by many competing firms, value proposition deals with how uniquely a firm is able to demonstrate a distinct flavor of its offering which makes a positive impact on the user or customer. There are 4 dimensions of value proposition that need to be addressed. Let's explore them. First dimension of value proposition is product differentiation. Every customer has a choice in terms of number of products which are able to meet similar requirement or need. Now the customer is likely to be attracted and make a choice in favor of one particular product or service if it has a lot of features which differentiate it from the competing products. For this product differentiation to be nurtured, the firm or company needs to create its own know-how, technology, invest in research and development, and do many ways in which, or think about many ways in which it can offer that extra value add to the customer. The second dimension is brand management. Brand evokes certain emotions. It's very important for a firm to nurture those emotions on an ongoing basis. Those associations, those relationships that a customer has built with a brand have to be respected, and a firm should never do anything where there could be a crack in that emotion or in that expectation of the customer. So brand management is not just about how a product is branded and how it looks like, but the emotions of the customer need to be taken care of, need to be nurtured, and therefore brand management has to be looked at in a very holistic way. The third dimension, which is very important, is customer centricity and alignment. Product differentiation is possible when a firm is focused on the current as well as the potential needs of customers. So once a firm is very clear that it wants to serve customers, it can be very creative in terms of creating products and services which even a customer has not visualized today, but would suddenly lap it up if a firm were able to create it. So thinking about the products and services from a customer perspective, thinking about the customer's own business or activity and how the product is used, and creating ideas to be able to create newer wonderful offerings is something that is possible through customer centricity and by aligning with the objectives of the customer. So particularly in the context of firms which have industrial customers, it is important that that firm is able to look at from the window of its customers in terms of that customer's marketplace. So that's where this alignment would be possible. The fourth dimension is about communicating the differentiation through the unique selling proposition. So it's important that we engage the customer through this communication, and the customer gets an idea about how the firm is not only creating these products, but it is also working behind the scene to nurture the customer centricity and to differentiate its products. and that needs to be communicated to the customer. So all these four dimensions are very, very important. So when we address all these four dimensions, it creates a path to profitable growth. Now friends, let's look at some very interesting interrelationships among these four uh, pillars or four dimensions of value proposition. So let's explore them. When we look at product differentiation and brand management together, when we address them together, we are actually creating a lasting customer recall, because finally it's the customer who should be driving the demand rather than we getting into pushing the supplies onto a customer. So for a customer to create this lasting recall, both differentiation and brand management through emotions is very, very critical. Product differentiation and customer centricity and alignment, when we look at them together, it actually creates a pull factor, because the products are differentiated and also the customer knows that we are making efforts to look at from the prism of the customer, and that's where it creates a pull factor. When we look at brand management and unique selling proposition together, it actually gives the firm a pricing power, because the brand is something which is evoking certain positive emotions, and the customer also knows through the communication in terms of the differentiation and the customer centricity, it naturally creates a pricing power, and a customer is very happy to give that pricing power to the people who are creating such wonderful products, which not only meet their expectations but exceed them. Finally, customer centricity and alignment and unique selling proposition together actually reduce our customer acquisition cost, because finally selling cost is something which is very, very significant, and if customer centricity and unique selling proposition are addressed together, we are able to reduce customer acquisition cost. So I hope friends you got an idea about these four pillars and how they also have an interesting interaction among themselves. For more such videos, do explore our channel, Dr. Abhijit Fadnis. Thank you so much.